I said it the other way around, just over to just under. It's just under to just over. And that makes sense, doesn't
Okay,
it?
here is our first item to unbox. And we
no, it's not.
What?
This is our first item to unbag. This is a
Unbag.
bag.
Oh, okay, we're unbagging it. Hey, PC Phil just joined us.
The words we use are very important.
Hannah Reiser wants to know how high it goes.
How high it goes?
The chair.
Well, you attach some helium balloons.
No one knows how far it goes.
Hashtag awkward.
It's a book, no box, it's in a bag. Amy, LOL. The chair, oh yeah, the chairs have a place for your feet. Journal, dinosaur, solar panels.
Oh, well, that's interesting. There's two in the bag. There's still one in the bag.
Okay, good.
I'm going to hold this little one. So again,
look that on the back too.
Oh, wow. That is interesting.
Yeah, it's very cool.
That's very cool.
Yes, the chairs do come in different colors, Hannah. They do come in different colors.
All right. So what have I got in my hands? What have I got in my hands?
Shower curtain.
Here we go.
Linens.
Oh, there we go. There's the side.
Nope, they're not just blue, Hannah. They come in 7 different colors.
7 different colors.
Yep.
Gold, turquoise, blue, black, silver, white. All right. So what have we got? A shower curtain? No. A power bank? Oh, close. RG Long, you're in the right area. You're right area.
Yes.
It's not a power bank. A phone charger.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so you're getting very close there, Phil. It's a special kind of charger. Charger. Let's see what kind. Phone charger. Let me just give you a clue. It's not just a phone charger.
Ooh.
Wireless charger. Nice work, PC. PC's so close. PC will definitely get a vote for all those. Paper towel holder.
Hannah, people are guessing what's in the bag.
We're guessing what we just unboxed out of this bag.
Yep.
The first person who guesses it correctly gets extra draws in the prize wheel.
Yep.
So that's why we're all playing along right now. This is a game we play. Solar charger, not a solar charger. It is a charger. It is a wireless charger, and I think we might just give it for PC Phil with the wireless charger there.
It's a specific
kind. Okay, Amy wants to go for it. It's a word number charger. Word number.
Car charger.
Fast charger.
Let's just.
Number.
How many charges can it give?
Another word for trio, the opposite of out, and uno. There you go.
I'll take the word. I'll take a specific word if somebody says it. Fast charger, multi-wireless charger. There you go, PC Phil. That was what I was looking for. Multi-charger.
I was looking for 3-in-1.
Yeah, Jamie was looking for 3-in-1. Multi, I'll take it. Yes.
Because it actually says 3-in-1.
I know, but it's a multi-charger station. So let me go grab it, and then we can talk about it. Hold on a minute before we unbox it. Let me pull this up, and then I can add it to the to our wheel below, to our carousel below.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. So,
you're so goofy.
Charge for all your key-enabled phone, watch, and earbuds. Here, you can little picture right back here. Boom, boom. See that? Your AirPods charging system's being charged at the same time by sitting on the back. Your phone here and your watch at the back there. Isn't that really cool? This is it. This is the, I don't know, MSTJRY. Is that a J? Mystery? It's a mystery how I pronounce it, that's for sure. 3-in-1 foldable wireless charger.
It's below, so let me pull this up and let's talk about it. Let's take it out of the box and show what it does. So I like that your earbuds are on the back here. I don't know if you can see that, but like right behind
Jenny's asking what happened to my forehead.
Oh,
I don't know if I'm allowed to say. Well, yesterday we've got a stand here for Amy's computer, and it's metal.
And it happened during our live yesterday. Actually.
Right at the end of the live, I was unpacking stuff, dropped something. I went down to Gunnar, boom!
Literally on this corner right here.
Yeah, and of course the head wound bleeds, and I'm like, I don't know. So there was like, but after like 20 minutes of holding a cloth on, it's more like a a thin slash than anything else. So, but in a few days, I was a little giddy, but then I often am. So it's hard to tell.
You are giddy.
If it was any.
Okay, so let's talk about this. Let's open this. Let's
enough
unbox
about
this.
my personal life.
Yeah, yeah. Enough about your
my
pain.
struggles and my suffering. Let's just go on to
your silly moves.
Let's just go on to Amy buying stuff. That's what it's about.
Okay, so all right. So let's open it. See what this looks like on the inside. How it comes. Let's unbox this guy. Woo! What else is in there?
Instructions.
Instructions. Okay, here we go.
You never worry about until it's not working, and then you go, okay,
so
I'll
here's
read it.
the base. You've got the base. Party in the house. So that pops up. That just folds up. You've got a spot on the back for your earbuds, and then you can lay your phone here. This pops out on the back for your watch, so that will charge your watch. So you've got your all-in-one station. You want to
awesome.
Touch it, don't you?
This reminds me of something from Star Wars. It's like it's very modern. It's lightweight, actually. It's quite lightweight. It's lighter than what I thought it was. It's wonderful.
I like how compact that is.
You could like go, I've got to go, so I'm going to take my charger and go home. You know, it's awesome. You can.
I do like how compact that is.
Just sit your earbuds here, pop this up, put your iPhone, Apple Watch. I mean, everything can just go together. And it's got the USB-C charging cord.
Yeah. So here's the charging cord, and then it comes with this charger as well. So you've got the charging cord. So you only have to plug one thing in, and it's going to charge all your items.
He slips in there, USB-C, plops into the other end, and you're getting everything done at once.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. So
this is very cute.
Very cute, very cute. I love it. What do you think?
What's that?
Any cons? Any cons to this? I guess the only con would be is if you don't have a wireless. If you don't have wireless function.
If you don't have a Q charging, if you don't have a Q charging watch or a Q charging earbuds, it's not going to work that way. Because from the key, whatever you call it, Q charging.
Wireless charging. We can just call it wireless charging.
Techno Phil, let us know. How's it pronounced? It's key, isn't it?
It's
key.
Wireless enabled. Would it fit any phone? Yes, it looks like it would. PC Phil says, "Win. I love that item. Awesome."
Yeah, I think it's awesome. All I need to do now is get some earbuds and an Apple Watch, and I'm set.
I have those.
She does.
So, and I have another charging station that I might just end up switching out for that one because it's pretty cool. But this is going to go on the prize wheel, guys. This is on the prize wheel as well.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
and
someone gets to win one of these.
Someone will get to win one of these, and it's available below on the carousel right now. And I will, of course, contact the seller and see if they can get us any discounts. Hook us up. Yeah, that's cool. I like how compact that is. That's so
it is really good. It's really the only con I can think of is I don't know.
Well, the only con I can think of is that, well, if it works.
Well,
does it work?
Yeah, well, we haven't tested the
strength of it.
You know, sometimes you're like, on some, I've got one. Actually, I got one over here that I got years ago, or when they first came out. I'm like, move the phone a little bit this way, and all of a sudden it's outside of the charging range.
You have to find it exactly where it's at. Yeah, that kind of works. We have one, our Prius. As much as Phil hates to hear that we drive a Prius,
it's a Prius.
And I feel manly driving my Prius.
Well, you do. I don't.
I do.
Yeah, you feel very manly.
But
driving
it has
a
a
Prius.
charging station on the
console.
In the console.
Up the front of the
and
console.
I have to find the exact right spot even on that one.
Oops.
So that would be the only con I can think of. Jamie is just.
One of the cons is when you're trying to pack it back in, and you drop it on your toe. It hurts.
PC Phil also said, "Stunt double life is hard."
Yeah. I wasn't just a stunt double.
PC Phil said, "I drove past a Prius today and made sure I downshifted." That's all right, PC Phil. I'm gonna start texting you I'm gonna start texting you videos of nice cars that we pass, like I do to my other friends.
It's not the car; it's the driver.
That's true. That is true.
And yeah.
So awesome. That's a fun one. I love that. That's a good one. Okay. So You got
Oh,
it?
I need to put that over here so I can put. We got 2, so one's going on the prize wheel, right?
Yeah, we got 2. One's going on the prize wheel. I put the other one up there.
Huh, okay. I'll worry about that later.
Where do you want to put it?
I don't know. I had a system, but it's
It got messed up because we got so much stuff. So we had systems where everything was in like right places. Now everything's everywhere. That's just kind of
You
how
know
it works.
how much I love that.
Life of an unboxer.
Doesn't need to be, doesn't it? Let's go back to our therapy session.
My coworker bought a new Tesla. Oh, Teslas are great. So we have a really good friend of ours.